For this question, A, B, C are the side length of a triangle with perimeter equals to 2. We are to show these two inequalities. Without loss of generality, we may let A the smallest and C is the biggest. And from triangle inequality, we know that C is straightly less than A plus B. Therefore, 2C is less than A plus B plus C, which is equal to 2, and therefore C is less than 1. Since C is less than 1, so B will be also less than 1, and A will be also less than 1. With this, then we know that 1 minus A, 1 minus B, 1 minus C will be greater than or equal to 0. And by using AMGN inequality on 3 terms, we know that this will be less than or equal to the arithmetic means to the power of 3. And for this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus A minus B minus C. So it's 3 minus 2, that is 1 over 3 to the power of 3. For this side, when we expand it, we will have 1 minus A plus B plus C plus AB, BC, and CA, and minus A, B, and C. And don't forget that this is greater than or equal to 0. Now with this, we actually prove these two inequalities at once. Why is it so? This is 2, so that is a negative 1, plus AB plus BC plus CA minus ABC less than or equal to 1 over 27. And on the other side, this is greater than or equal to 0. If we do some manipulation on the right hand side, when we do some manipulation on the right hand side, we will see that ABC plus 28 over 27 will be greater than AB plus BC plus CA. That is the first one. For the second inequality, we can get it from this side of inequality. So we will have AB plus BC plus CA will be greater than ABC plus 1. So as usual, we always want to see that whether the equality holds. Equality holds if and only if each of these the same. If and only if 1 minus A equals to 1 minus B equals to 1 minus C. So in this case, A, B, and C must be the same. Since the sum equals to 2, then each of these has to be equal to 2 over 3. We use two standard ideas to prove these inequalities. Number 1, the triangle inequality. Number 2, AMGN inequality. And that's all for today's lesson. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.